find the failed transaction history for your IRCTC website account. So hey guys, welcome to this simple and easy tutorial. In this particular tutorial, I will be guiding you through how you can find the list of all the failed transactions within your IRCTC official account. So as here you can see, currently I am in the IRCTC official website, that is irctc.co.in. So the first thing that you will need to do is simply go to this website irctc.co.in and log in with your IRCTC account. And once you have logged in, you will see an interface like this. And once you will see this, you can click onto this my account section. So simply hover your cursor over to this my account and then hover it towards this my transactions. Once you will do this, you can see the fourth option, that is failed transaction history. So simply click onto this failed transaction history in order to view all of the failed transactions in the past. So once you will do this, you can see that it is giving me a list of all the failed transactions in this particular section. If there is an also of upcoming option as well, and also for the past journeys if you want. So using this, you can check out all of the failed transactions that has happened in the past. So that was all for this particular tutorial. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, consider giving this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.